I would like to talk about Redken acidic bonding concentrate. And yes, guys, I feel like it's definitely for me a life-changing concentrate leave-in treatment, which actually, I don't know, I didn't really know what to expect from it, right? And basically what it does, it kind of neutralizes the acidity to a perfect pH level of the water, right? So you apply it on clean damp hair, leave it in, do not rinse. And I remember when I first put it on, even without any serums, my hair just felt much smoother, and it kind of neutralizes the water without giving you this heavy feel of oiliness or nothing, right? So again, it is completely pure and shiny look that you get, as well as it is soft without any overwhelmment, without any grease or feeling heavy hair, right? And here in Los Angeles, where I live, it actually the water is quite acidic, so it is important to have something like this. Before, I had a little spray I was trying, not by Redken, and it kind of did the same thing, but I have to go through these little bottles, which were very I don't know, quite often. So I feel like definitely Redken is the choice for me from now on, and I hope that you will try it yourself and experience the difference.